In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TikTok to Whop. We'll walk through the exact process from inside your Whop account, and I'll share a few tips so everything verifies smoothly. Connecting TikTok to Whop helps you verify ownership for communities or storefronts and display your social presence, and the whole process takes just a couple of minutes. Start by signing into your Whop account. Make sure you can also access your TikTok profile in a browser or on your phone, since we'll briefly edit your bio for verification. Once you're in Whop, open your account settings, then head to Connected Accounts. This is where Whop lets you link external profiles. Scroll through the list until you find TikTok. When you see TikTok, click the Add Plus button next to it. A small pop-up will appear asking for your TikTok profile URL. Paste the link to your personal TikTok profile here. If you're not sure where to find it, open TikTok, go to your profile, and copy the share link for your page. Make sure it's the link to your main profile, not to an individual video or a post. Back in Whop, paste that URL into the field and click Add. Whop will immediately generate a unique verification code. This code is how Whop confirms the profile really belongs to you. Click to copy the code so it's on your clipboard. Don't change or add anything to the code. You'll paste it exactly as provided. Now, switch over to TikTok and open your profile. Tap or click Edit Profile, then locate your bio. Paste the verification code into your bio. It's totally fine to put it at the beginning or end, and you can remove it later. Save your changes so the code is publicly visible on your profile. You're not sharing any passwords here. This method simply proves you control the profile. Head back to Whop and click Verify. Whop will check your TikTok bio for that exact code. This usually takes just a moment. Keep the page open while it runs the check. Once verification passes, you'll see that your TikTok account is connected to Whop. At this point, you can return to TikTok and remove the code from your bio if you prefer, since Whop has already confirmed ownership. Your connection remains active even after the code is gone. And that's it. You've successfully connected your TikTok account to Whop. If something doesn't verify on the first try, double check that the profile URL you added points to the correct account. Make sure the code in your bio matches exactly with no extra spaces. And confirm you saved the bio before clicking Verify. Thanks for watching.